Want to extract numbers from your data cells? I'm here to help. I'm Limon, and in this video I will show you how to extract numbers from cells in Microsoft Excel. Now let's get started.
First, open your Excel workbook where your data contains text mixed with numbers. For example, you might have entries like product codes, order IDs, or descriptions where the numbers are mixed with words. Now here's the trick. Go to the column where you want the extracted numbers to appear. In the first cell, type the number manually from the cell next to it. So basically, you're giving Excel an example of the result you want. Once you've typed the number, press enter. Next, click back on the cell where you just entered that number. Now hold down the control key on your keyboard and press E. And just like that, Excel will automatically extract the numbers from the rest of the cells in that column. What's happening here is that Excel is using a feature called flash fill, which recognizes the pattern based on the example you provided. It then applies that pattern to the rest of the data instantly. And that's it, a quick and easy way to extract numbers from text in Microsoft Excel without using complicated formulas.